नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, स्टे पिटीशन केस, आपको याद होगा कि कॉमरेड बसंत मनकुड़े ने 2 केस फाइल किया था, एक स्टे पिटीशन केस और दूसरा क्रिमिनल केस। स्टे पिटीशन केस की 11 बाइपार्टाइट का जो भी रेजिडुअल इशू है पहले उसे सेटल किया जाए, उसके बाद 12th बाइपार्टाइट का नेगोशिएशन शुरू हो। और उसका जो अपडेट आया है 27 सितंबर का, डियर रिटायरी फ्रेंड्स, अगेन द सेम क्वेश्चन वाज रेज्ड बाय द डिफेंडेंट्स lawyer IBA and Rule 9 of the Bar Association of Supreme Court is not applicable in this case since petitioner has not submitted any supporting documents in support of his allegations, wherein my lawyer brought to the notice of the Honorable Court that the defendants has already admitted that he was earlier working in State Bank of India. The petitioner only want to bring to the notice of this court that he is pecuniary beneficiary by updation of pension, hence he cannot represent IBA in this case. This happened to be the strategy of IBA in past 28 years and to prolong the case on every platform of judiciary from lower court up to Supreme Court, and likewise they are killing time in every case with similar reasons. We don't want to go in details. If at all the defendant want us to go into details, the case would be taken to altogether different direction. We just want to bring to the notice of this honorable court that IBA lawyer is playing fraud on the court by repenting this case. It is serious offense and needs to be punished severely by the court so as to stop such type of mischief being played by IBA in future. Regarding Order 7 Rule 11, my lawyer pleaded that the respondent lawyer has raised the question of the maintainability of the case, and the Canara Bank lawyer also raised similar objection about the limitation and cause of action. In this regard, I plead that though my client retired from his service on 5th July 97, he is getting pension since August 97 till August 23. Hence, the case is well within limitations. This case is regarding non-payment of updation of pension at every bipartite after every 5 years. It is a stay petition which demands release of the residual issue of updation of pension and then only initiate 12th bipartite settlement. The lawyer of IBA had also raised a question of res judicata, which means similar question is being raised in MC Singla case in Supreme Court. Hence, the similar question cannot be raised in this court, wherein my lawyer said since the IBA lawyer has not submitted the details of the case with valid documents, it cannot be relied on the oral submission of IBA and Canara Bank lawyer. This particular case is a stay petition which demands residual issues of 11 bipartite be dealt first before initiation of talks for the 12th bipartite. The IBA lawyer also raised a question regarding objection. As per his pleading, the objection should have been raised earlier, on which my lawyer said I was not knowing as to who is appearing in this case to plead IBA. Had I known earlier that an ex-employee of SBI shall be representing this case through IBA, I would have taken the objection earlier. Jokes apart, the objection to IBA lawyer was supported by a judgment through my lawyer, which has resulted in fine of rupees 1 lakh by the honorable court for playing fraud on the court. The court had not given further date or the case, hence the order is expected in this case. If it is in our favor, we shall file a writ in Bombay High Court, and if the order is against IBA and Canara Bank, those people will definitely approach High Court Bombay through appeal against the order. Resultantly, Bombay High Court is the next destination for both of us. It should be before 10th October 23 or later is to be decided. Shri Basant Bankude, Kolhapur, 27 September 23. Friends, कोर्ट में जब कोई मामला उलझ गया, कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, और दोनों पक्ष जब कुछ मानने को तैयार नहीं, तो मामला लोअर कोर्ट से हाई कोर्ट से सुप्रीम कोर्ट, और अल्टीमेटली बेनिफिशियरी को कोई फायदा नहीं। लेकिन हमारे पास विकल्प नहीं है, जुडिशरी एक आसरा है, इसलिए हमारे सारे रिटायरीज ये प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि कहीं न किसी ओर से हमें कुछ पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस मिले। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।